Hi, good morning to everyone. Now we are going to discuss about how we are going to model and then how we are going to perform an electromagnetic analysis on a switch reluctance motor. So for doing an electromagnetic analysis, we are going for a magnet software packages. So now I just opened it. So before going to draw, we have to create an environment to draw a machine. So for that we are going to create a unit in terms of millimeters and then create a keyboard input bar. So at this place we can able to see X and Y. So these two are the parameters which is used to draw the entire machine, which will be found at this portion. So now there are two important parts in the machine, that is stator and rotor. So first we are going to draw the rotor of a switch reluctance motor. So now I just take over this cursor to the circle where we can able to see add circle within bracket. It is mentioned as center comma radius. That means the center value is 0 and then what is the rest of the value. So now we are going to draw the shaft of a machine. So now I have taken some of the standard parameters for 550 watts switch reluctance motor, where the stator pole is 6 and then the rotor pole is 4. So now the shaft diameter here is 20 millimeter. So for that I just select add circle and then click over here to the keyboard input bar and then give 0, 0. So the 0, 0 initiates the central portion. So the central portion I am just now going to draw the circle. So that is called as a shaft. So the diameter of the shaft is 20. So since here it is mentioning as radius, so diameter divided by 2 is the radius. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So it is 0, so now I can able to get a circle. So this one is called as the shaft. So now again I am going to draw the rotor pole root diameter. It is nothing but the back iron of the rotor. So its diameter is 36.4, whereas the radius is 18.2. So now again I just select the circle. Again I just mention as 0, 0 to initiate the center part and then 0, 18.2. So this one indicates the back iron of the rotor. So this is the fifth view. So we can able to see the entire machine at a single view. And then we have to draw the rotor poles. So in this, since it is 6 by 4, the number of rotor pole is 4. So again I just click over to the add circle and then again I just mark the center part as 0, 0 and then the outer diameter of the rotor is 52.6, so that the radius is 26.5. 3. So now 0, 0 and then 0, 26.3. So now this indicator near 26.3. So now to draw the rotor poles, there is a need of rotor pole arc. Here the rotor pole arc is 30.8. Since it is a two-dimensional view, so just divide it by 2 and then take it as 15.4. So 30.8 divided by 2 gives 15.4. So just take axe line and then initiate it to 0, 0. So here it is mentioned as x and y, but now we are going to draw the angle, that is rotor pole arc. So arc is nothing but an angle. So just change the symbol of x comma y into radius comma theta. So here the radius, the outer radius is 26.3. The outer radius is 26.3. So before that we have to initiate it. So just initiate it and then it is 26.3 comma theta. So the theta value is rotor pole arc. I just take it as 30.8, which is divided by 2, so that we can able to get as 15.4. This 15.4. So just able to get a line over here. Just escape and then, so this is the tool to select the lines. I just select it and then this is to separate the continuous line. So now we can able to see the discontinuous over this line by selecting. So just delete it. Again, if you want to get a claw pole, we can keep it in this angle. Suppose if you want to get a rectangular pole, again right click over this line and then choose properties and then select the endpoint, copy it, close and then select the line and then make again x comma y and then paste this value and then make an enter. So the thread will be coming over at this point. So from this point, again it is mentioned as r comma theta. Again